Lesson 4, Managed Infrastructure. As discussed previously, cloud providers offer a console which allow customers to manage a suite of cloud computing services in almost what could be said as a self-service type of a model. There are three major categories for cloud computing: software as a service, sometimes called SaaS, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Each of these categories consists of a large set of service offerings, such as software applications, computing models, development services, and more. Software as a service is a very, very popular cloud service. Firms purchase software as a service, also consumers purchase software as a service. QuickBooks can be an example of a consumer using a software as a service product. Software as a service products are hosted by the third-party cloud provider and then made available to users over an internet connection. And software as a service is a method for delivering the software products based on a subscription model. Therefore, even with products, very complex enterprise software such as Salesforce.com or ServiceNow, the user or the customer only pays for a subscription and does not take on the overhead of maintaining and upgrading the software. That's all done by the cloud provider. And with a software as a service, firms are only charged for the time and the software products that they're using. So they can be charged by the user and by the product. Again, making software as a service much more efficient than maintaining the software on premises. Platform as a service is another popular cloud offering and is another part of the categories of cloud services. Platform as a service is typically involved in development of software without the complexity of having to install and maintain developer environments or developer platforms. Platform as a service includes networking, virtual servers, storage, operating systems, middleware and runtimes, database, and other types of services that a shop may use to develop applications. A cloud provider could maintain operating systems such as mobile, such as iOS or Android. And quite often, these types of operating systems change quite frequently, and it's a lot for a single firm to keep up with all of that, whereas a cloud provider specializes in that area and can always offer the best type of mobile development operating systems or mobile development environments. They can also offer release type of tools for the firm, so therefore the firm doesn't have to make a big investment on release and deployment type of tools. Infrastructure as a service is another popular category of cloud computing. Infrastructure provides a basic layer of computing. It resembles a typical outsourcing model. So a firm, instead of employing specialists in hosting, database, networking, hardware, does not need to do that with a cloud. The firm can, or the customer can, outsource all of those specializations to the cloud provider.